Hi everybody, welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. We'll start with our CCRV WeatherBug camera out at 37. You can see here that there's a lot of clouds in the area. That grass is starting to turn to brown though. We need some rain. Unfortunately, we're not going to see much anytime soon. We'll see a little bit at the end of this week, but not much. All right, temperatures around the region are mainly in the low to mid 80s. We do have some upper 70s from Rockport over to Beeville. And the seawater temperature 76. The big news, the dew point temperature, which is way up and now in the 70s, and we're into the oppressive area on the humidity, and it's even higher than it was yesterday by 4 dew point temperature degrees because of the wind, which picked up today and now gusting to 37 miles an hour on our high end wind speed. Tomorrow will be near 40. Now these are the actual sustained winds, which are lower than the gust, and it's going to stay up all night. It's going to be around 20 to 25 tomorrow mid-afternoon with gusts of 40 miles an hour here tomorrow in general. And then the same here on Thursday. It's going to be another windy day with the gusts between 35 and 40. Almost as windy on Thursday as it will be tomorrow, Wednesday. The winds do start to come down. Notice that they are markedly lower here on Friday afternoon. As the winds come down, the instability in the atmosphere goes up. There's going to be some big storms up near San Antonio on Friday night, and a little bit of that will wander down here on Saturday. But Saturday is not going to be a washout, and I think the showers we receive in the coastal bend are going to be winding down towards the Buck Days Illuminated Night Parade, which, as you saw earlier, begins at 8 o'clock, the actual parade start time. I think the rain, what little we do have, will be winding down by then. We're in a dry spell here, so even when it rains, it doesn't rain very much, and that's going to be the case this Saturday. We've got a lot of clouds in the area, south and west, so temperatures in the 90s in Laredo today where the sun broke out. We've got low pressure to the north, creating a lot of wind, warmth, and humidity here. Cooler air will ease into the area here Saturday night, but not by much with the heels of the southwesterly flow. That's where the moisture is contained in blue in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. For us, we've got dry air over us in the mid and upper levels. That's why we're not seeing any rainfall of significance, although there was a couple hundredths of an inch out around Alice earlier today. Here's that upper level low, and again, hanging back to the southwest. When it kicks out on Friday, it weakens. So that's why the rain isn't going to be very substantial. By Saturday night, we start to get this little northwesterly flow. That's the front coming in, and then it hangs up over the area. So this evening, the weather's going to be windy, warm, and humid, and in the 70s. We'll have a low of 75, 86 tomorrow, 87 on Thursday with a little less wind, a lot less wind on Friday, and 85. And then we'll see isolated thunder showers here on Saturday. They'll be ending around parade time at 8 o'clock as that front comes into the area and breaks up. And then less humid, still warm, and very nice here Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Hip, hip, hooray for next week, starting on the latter part of the weekend. Stephania and Lee.